Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm featuring my niece, Ranisha. Oh my god, I love you so much, Ranisha. I want you guys to show her some love. She will be doing ram goat soup. So let's see how my little niece do her ram goat soup, guys. Show her some love, okay? We all have our own cooking style, and that is what we are here to showcase on Shan Cooking Vlogs. We are here to teach each other. So I personally might not know how to do Manish water soup. Other persons do. So I have no problem with sharing my platform with each persons because hey, I'm not gonna let Ranisha tell me how. Then I'm coming here pretending like, hey, I'm showing you guys how to do Manish water. So show Ran some love. Come Ran, let's see how you do that soup.
So I have my goat tripe and head all cut up, and the foot I have to cut up this foot as well, all cut up small. And now I'm gonna wash this in water and a little bit of vinegar. So guys, all washed up, clean. Now I am going to put my goat meat in my instant pot to pressure for 30 minutes. And now after I place these in the instant pot, I'm going to add some pimento seeds. So add few pimento green. So while my goat head and goat tripe is pressuring, I'm going to cut up my sweet potato, yellow yam, green banana, carrot, Irish potato, and some okra. If your Manish water don't have okra, it not a fatty. Alright, I'm going to cut up these. So guys, I had to get my Dutch pot. Now I'm going to add in my yam, my bananas, my carrot. I'm going to add these in now. Yeah, going to add all of these in. Then I'm going to, while these cook down, I am going to do my spinners. So I'm going to add my scallion and thyme and my scotch bonnet pepper while this cook, and my spinners after. Let this cook. Alright, so this is how I make my, after I knead my flour, I'm gonna pull apart a little small piece, then I'm just gonna roll together, and boom. Now I will add this while my pot started to bubbling up. Yes, bring it to a boil. Yeah, Jamaican talk, when the pot bubble up, yeah, that's when you put in your spinners, guys. Alright, you see that? Bubble, bubble, bubble. So we drop in the spinners then, you know. Drop in the spinners then. Another pot. So all the spinners are in. Look at that. So I'm gonna leave my pot for about 10 minutes. Then I go add in. After 10 minutes, then I go in the pots. Alright, so I like to mix. I like to mix them. Oh wow. My ginger. And my Maggie. Oops. So guys, seasoning time. All done guys, all done. So all done. So rich. Just look at that. So rich.